Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. I just came home.
Oh, from school?
Yes, I'm tired but happy.
Same here. Home feels peaceful after school.
Yes, I like being at home.
Who is at home right now?
My mom, dad, and little sister.
That's nice. Is your sister cute?
Yes, she is very funny too.
Haha, what does she like to do?
She likes to dance and sing songs.
Aw, that's sweet. Does she go to school?
Yes, she is in grade 1.
That's a small kid. She must ask many questions.
Yes, all the time. But I like her.
That's good. I have one brother.
Older or younger?
He's younger. He plays video games all day.
Haha, same as my cousin. Boys love games.
Yes, he never leaves his computer.
What do you all do on weekends?
Sometimes we go to the park.
That sounds fun. What do you do there?
We walk, play, and eat ice cream.
Nice. I love ice cream too.
What flavor do you like?
Chocolate. Always chocolate.
Haha, I like vanilla more.
Both are good. Ice cream makes everyone happy.
Do you cook at home sometimes?
A little. I can make noodles.
Nice. I can make sandwiches.
That's easy and tasty.
Yes, I make them on Sundays.
I love Sunday mornings. They are peaceful.
Yes, no school and no hurry.
Exactly. Just family time and music.
Do you clean your room on weekends?
Yes, my mom tells me to.
Same here. I clean and wash clothes.
That's good. It keeps the house nice.
Yes, and my mom gets happy too.
Moms like clean rooms more than anything.
Haha, true. My mom says that every day.
What do you do in the evening?
I sit outside with my dad.
That's nice. What do you talk about?
We talk about school and life.
That's really good. Parents give nice advice.
Yes, my dad always says, work hard and stay kind.
That's a good lesson. I like that.
Yes, I try to follow his words.
Do you watch TV together at night?
Yes, we watch news or movies.
That's a nice family habit.
Yes, we laugh and eat popcorn.
Sounds so warm and happy.
It is. I love family time.
Family makes life beautiful, right?
Yes, always. They are our best support.
That's true. I'm thankful for my family.
Me too. Family is everything.
Okay, it's getting late now.
Yes, I should go help my mom.
All right, talk to you tomorrow.
Sure. Have a nice evening.
You too.